Welcome to BriefLand. In this lesson, I will teach you basic German A1 verbs using English explanations. Please listen carefully and repeat the German words. Our first word is gehen. Gehen means go. Gehen, gehen. The second word is kommen. Kommen means come. Kommen, kommen, kommen. The third word is machen. Machen means do or make. Machen, machen. The fourth word is zen. Zen means see. Zen, zen, zen. The fifth word is essen. Essen means eat. Essen, essen, essen. The sixth word is trinken. Trinken means drink. Trinken, trinken. The seventh word is lernen. Lernen means learn. Lernen, lernen. The eighth word is arbeiten. Arbeiten means work. Arbeiten, arbeiten, arbeiten. Now let's repeat all the German verbs one more time. Gehen, kommen, machen, zen, trinken, lernen, arbeiten. Great job. Thank you for learning German with BriefLand. See you in the next lesson.